Hi, just going to do a quick review on my new sneakers. They are Adidas Sunshines, size 8.5. Unboxing. Ooh, they are bright. Sunshine. Now most places are doing these about £89 in the UK. I got these on the Adidas website and I had a voucher which got me them for about £65. On top of that, customised writing on them. If you want to have up to 11 letters, you can do. I'm going to Singapore soon, so I thought, why not? I'm just going to get a pair and put Singapore on them. So there you go. There's a Sunshine logo. They come with orange or yellow laces. I quite like the orange, I'll keep that. Nice gum sole. Yeah, these are very summery and for £65 and take them, bargain. Singapore, here I come.